This weather report brought to you by Twomey Schriber Property Group.
Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The heavens have opened up over Queensland and there aren't too many places safe from rain at the moment. Rain should start easing tomorrow, but the wind certainly will not, so I'd recommend a game of chess if you have the luxury to stay at home. Black Mountain had the biggest overnight fall of 138 millimetres. We had 108 at Davidson Creek, Glen Ellyn 72 mils, and even Atherton picked up 35. Tully comes as no surprise, of course. The temperature range in Cairns today was 24 to 33 degrees, still above the midsummer average, but soon to cool down slightly with a wind change. In Mariba, the mercury got to 30. To the satellite loop now, cloud is starting to take form. We can see two vortices, one in the Gulf of Carpentaria that's spinning up. That's a low. We've always got our eyes on those monsoonal type lows. And there's another low that's formed offshore from the Capricorn coast, and you can also see the cluster of storms around that area. In general, just a blow up of rain right across eastern Queensland, which has been destabilised as well by an upper level trough, as always during these heavy rain events. Now on today's chart, the surface features are pretty evident. You've got that low in the Gulf of Carpentaria that's formed and the other low off the Capricorn coast. And this low has accentuated the wind to its south. We've already seen gale force winds right through Wide Bay and southeast coast waters. And of course, north of that trough, we're still getting that very unstable air mass. Tomorrow's chart, the low starts to move south, bringing the heaviest weather through the Wide Bay, but we're still going to have continuous rain through much of eastern Queensland. On the outlook chart, we see now that the Gulf low starts to cross the Cape, and maybe next week we'll start moving into the Coral Sea, which is another worry for next week's forecasts. Another boating forecast for Cairns. Waters south to southwest winds only 10 to 15 knots at first, but on Friday picking up to 25 knots. And on Saturday back to 15 to 20. Our first tide tomorrow will be a low followed by a modest high tide in the afternoon. We're fortunate to be right on half moon neap tide in light of the rising seas predicted. North tropical coast and tablelands, showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Cairns 30 degrees, bit cooler, 26 for Atherton, Innisfail 30, Mariba 28. Looking ahead for Cairns, allow for a few showers each day to avoid disappointment, though hopefully some longer sunny breaks into next week. No extreme temperatures, I'm happy to say. For Atherton, it sort of comes and goes. Our biggest storms will be tomorrow. After that, it's just showers. And that's all for this evening, folks. Pleasure to have your company. Thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow. Catch you then. But for now, it's back to the team.
Okay, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Wednesday. Thanks for your company.
Reminder, if you missed anything, you can catch up at our 7 Plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.